And so this is the graph that we can use to interpret. And so
the goals within our department are to provide any student with practical knowledge in all kinds of areas of physics and really allow them to explore their interests. In addition, our goal is to help build strong problem-solving skills, helping you to critically think, not only about physics problems, but really any kind of problem you might encounter. We prepare our students to be successful and find their passion. We provide a number of unique opportunities for our students. In classes, we teach studio style, which means we use hands-on activities and lecture less. We promote group work and one-on-one faculty-student interactions.
I think the small class size is one of the big advantages. Everyone has an opportunity to work through all of the questions that they have. Or if there are any questions, there's always time after class, or the professors always have office hours that you can go to.
They're very willing to help and make sure you do well. Like, they want to see you succeed. They're just willing to have one-on-one conversations with you whenever you stop by. And they want to make sure that you understand everything.
We have two majors, physics and teaching physics. Physics prepares you for graduate school in physics or a similar or related discipline. Teaching physics prepares you to teach physics in high school. Outside of the classroom, we have an active student group, the Augustana Physics and Engineering Society. They do outreach to elementary schools, run after-school programs. We'll do all kinds of great projects that they come up with. We promote internships both on and off campus. Our on-campus research internships are paid, so you get to do the research you want to do while being paid for it. We have several opportunities involving nuclear physics, quantum optics, and radio astronomy.
I think undergraduate research experience is really going to be one of the things that helps me to stand out. Not all schools are going to have those opportunities, especially at larger schools. It's going to be more difficult to secure undergraduate research opportunities like this.
At a liberal arts school like Augustana, we encourage students to explore all the things they're interested in. So they really find that thing that they're very passionate about.
At Augustana, I can study physics, I can study classics, which is ancient Greek and Roman culture and language. I can participate in all the music ensembles I want to.
Our students will have the technical skills and physics background to understand a physics problem, but then also be able to understand it from other ways of thinking, to understand ultimately what their physics research or what they do in their everyday life, how it actually impacts other people.